Well, the sun is going down, as you can see, and it is that time of the day where we need to go and get the chickens and get the turkeys and send them home.
Yes.
Oh, look. Can you hear that?
Yeah, there's goose. I saw them a little bit.
They
There's
took
a little glare.
Well,
Let's go see
we
the
got
turkey.
some turkeys that are facing off. Well, we've gotten already, I think, 14 today. Let's see how many more we've gotten so far.
I don't see Tiny's in there.
None in there.
Hey.
None in there. We got one here. Boop. Here's one.
There's a blue one.
And here's another one.
That's a blue one. That's from
14.
what's it? 15, 16 eggs today. So I smashed those things for the chickens to eat. Pumpkins.
Oh.
So
Are they eating them?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like they're tearing them up.
I smashed them with my feet so they could eat them. The pumpkin, I had to really try to do it hard earlier. No eggs. Yes, I know that. This is a feather I found on the ground.
Well, the hens might be a bit more adorable than him, but
I think this is Tommy. I just need to see.
this is Ginger. And everybody, it's not the best idea to have 2 tom turkeys.
She's coming.
Uh-uh.
She's coming. Come on, get in there, get in here.
You don't only want like a 1 or 2 board thick door or wide door, cause you see what we had to do here? We had to cut it open just to help us clean it and help these guys get in. Now let me go find that other hen.
It reminds you of upcoming Easter in the reverse order. The angel rolled away the stone, not rolled the stone in front of the opening. Skippy loves this stuff, and so do these girls. The best way to get them to go inside when it's starting to get dark outside and you don't want to wait until it's super dark when they're all in there is this stuff. It's black soldier fly larva. Watch them run. What? You want some? Well, let me come back out here.
The way you're looking at me right now, girl, I know